Okay, so now my salt has dried out. It's a little bit lumpy in a few places. That's just where the food colouring that was on the salt sort of clumped together. But you can just smooth that out on your tray. Now you don't want too much salt because otherwise it's going to be hard to make the shapes in the salt that we want to make. So today the first salt, or the first shape should I say, that we're going to make is going to have 4 sides on it. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You see our 4 sides there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see what shape it is? A diamond, that's right. So we have a diamond shape here now today. And then we can smooth it out with our hand like this, or if you want to, you can gently give your tray a little shake and that'll smooth it out as well for you. Now our next shape has 6 sides. Okay, so that's, I think, more sides than we've had on any of our shapes so far. So we're going to go across the top like this. Okay, so 1 line across the top and then down like this, down like this, and then we're going to bring, I think that needs to come down a little bit more. We want them both, these lines at the side, to be coming down about the same distance. Okay, and then we're going to bring each line over again and then across at the bottom. I think I might have a little bit too much salt there. I might move some of that over a little bit to the side out of our way so we can see our shape a bit better. Can you see the shape a bit better there now? So there's our shape. And this shape, with its 6 sides, is called a hexagon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides to our hexagon. Okay, we can get rid of our hexagon now, so we're going to give it a little shake. And now we could try to make our square. So 1 line down, 1 across, 1 down, another 1 across. And remember, try and keep them to the same size, because a square has 4 sides that are the same size. Okay, so there's our square. And we can do our circle. Round like that. No sides, remember that? It just goes round and round. Okay, and we can do our triangle. And our rectangle. And remember, our rectangle has 4 sides, like our square, but 2 sides are the same length and then 2 are short. So these are the ones that are the same length. They're opposite each other. Okay, 1 and 2, and then these ones here are the same length as each other as well, 1 and 2. So our 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, but the 2 that are opposite each other are the same size. Yeah. So you could have a go doing that with your salt and see, can you make some shapes in your salt as well. Bye-bye. When you're doing your salt tray and you're doing your shapes, if you don't like the feel of the salt on your hands, then you could maybe use a stick like this, which is one that I got from a coffee shop. It's used for stirring your coffee, and you could use that and use that to make the shapes in your salt. Or if you didn't have one of those, you could use a lollipop stick if you had one, or you might have a pencil. Now don't use the pointy end, but you could use the other end and use that to draw your shapes in your salt. Okay, but it is a lovely feel to feel the salt in between your fingers. It feels quite like the sand that we have in school. So you might like to have a little play with it like that. Okay, bye bye.